Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the third day of Central Zone Regional Athletic Association 2024, hosted by the Schools Division of Tarlac Province, here at Barangay Absayan, Herona Province of Tarlac, under the leadership of Honorable Barangay Captain Nestor Austria and his council. Presenting to you our competing teams. From Sabang Kawayan Elementary School, the Schools Division of Gapang City. And from Barreto 1 Elementary School, the Schools Division of Olongapo City. Our officiating official.
No need na yung likodan, okay lang yun.
Our officiating official this match. First referee, Jose C. Rosario, national referee. Second referee, Linwell Joshua, national referee. The scorers, Eunice Arsenas and Rowena P. Diaz. Line judges, Jesse Maligor and Cineros Luntalan. Tournament manager, Sir Charlie Gamboa. And the tournament director, Mr. Nestor Angeles. Good luck, girls, and on with the game. Once again, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Sir Glenn D. Diman, the Innovation Program Specialist of Olongapo City, Miss Velia Cintillo Pino, and Mr. David Bailon of Olongapo City.
Focus. Resume muna, resume.
Once again, the Schools Division of Gapang City and the Schools Division of Olongapo City let the battle begin. Serving action number 1.
Okay, Dari. Nice one. Stop.
We are acknowledging the presence of the principal of Bulacan, Mr. Barkley Sarmiento,
Set.
national referee.
Andy, nice one. Isa pa. Nice one.
The score 1-0. Serving jersey number 2.
Okay. Rebound. Nice one.
Score 2-0. Still serving jersey number 2. The Schools Division of Olongapo City. Side point and by the right, Caracas.
Dulo mo.
IBC Final 13. Serving jersey number 2.
Yan, taas mo lang. Go, balo!
Outside. Point. Schools Division of the Fancy. Score. Canada 2. Serving jersey number 2. Schools Division of the Fancy. Score 3-2. Still serving jersey number 2.
Set!
Good block by number 4. Point. Schools Division of Olympic. Score. Canada 3. Serving jersey number 4, the big captain.
Chelsea! Labon! Sunod agad, sunod.
Come on.
Pag alam mo di papasok, huwag mo
4-3.
lang.
Still serving jersey number 4. Set goal. Score 5-3.
Nice one! Drop! Set! Nice one, Johnny! Taas! Nice! Angat! Play! Play na!
Outside, score natin 7-6 favor of Olongapo. Service for Olongapo City. Good service. Inside. Service ace for number 8. Another service. Pasok. Up. Nagkahiyaan yung dalawang player ng Japan. Another score for Olongapo City. 9-6. 3-point lead for Olongapo. Good service again for Olongapo. Not over for Japan. That forces Japan for a timeout. 10-6. Lamang ng apat ang Olongapo City. Good morning mga kabatang Gapo. Nandito tayo sa Herona Town sa Tarlac Province. I think this is Barangay Asiaya. And we are now at the elementary volleyball girls. This is between Olongapo City and Gapan City para sa bracket C for Clara 2024. Ang score natin 10-6, lamang ng 4 ang Olongapo City. Ang team natin is coming from Barreto 1. Good service again.
Lapit konti, ano na? Set up, set up. Okay, tawid mo, tawid mo. 3-1. Out! Outside!
Outside ang tawag ng referee. Another point for Olongapo City, 11-6. Ayun yung mga mommies natin. Ito. Cheering for the squad. Good service again. Naitawid ng Gapan.
Atake mo! Yan!
Good attack coming from
Nice yan, Jaira!
Pernia. Number 5. A flurry of service ang binibigay ni number 8. 12-6. Service error para kay number 8, but that was flurries of service. It's around 6 points para sa kanya, giving this one. Outside. Para sa Gapan, another point for Olongapo City. Service para kay number 1.
Service, jersey, number 1.
Good service. Inside for Olongapo City.
7. In favor of Schools Division of Olongapo City. 7, jersey.
Serving jersey number 1.
Outside. Point. Schools Division of Gapan City.
Outside ang score natin, 14-8.
Score 8-14.
Andy!
Good attack coming from number 4.
Check ball.
Nice one,
Point. Schools Division of Olongapo City.
15-8.
Score 15-8. Serving jersey number 5.
Good service for number 5.
Isa pa. Abang. Abot!
Not over para sa Gapan City, 16-8.
Olongapo City. Time out. Schools Division of Gapan City.
Another timeout ang itinawag ng Gapan. Kasi medyo lumalayo na ang Olongapo City. This is 16-8.
Of Olongapo City.
First set pa lang po tayo. This is the opening set para sa Olongapo versus Gapan. Bring home the bacon daw, sabi. Go Chelsea. Mamaya daw ang 3x3.
Still serving jersey number 5. Henry.
Back to the ball game, number 5. Service on number 5. Malakas ang service. Point for Gapan. 16-9.
Last fight tayo. Asante, last fight tayo, Asante. Andy, last fight. Receive. Pinto. Back. Out. Balik. Abang. Pass. Nice fight.
Good attack from Japan. That was a long rally for both teams. 16-10. Lamang pa rin ang Olongapo City.
Sa gitna ka na. Adi, sa gitna ka na. Yan, para makakalo ka sa taas. Taas. Nice one.
Outside ang palo. 17-10. Service ni number 3.
Substitution. 1 out, 10 in.
Good service para kay number 3. Good service again.
Nice one. Balik, balik. Set, set.
Score 18-11.
18-11 ang score for Olongapo City.
Set.
Score for Japan, 18-12. Lamang ng 6 ang Olongapo City. Service for Japan.
Kay Adi.
Good attack coming from number 2. 19-12. Dalawa na lang to take this set. Good service. Nagkahiyaan. Service ace for team captain number 4.
Set point.
Good service. Pinulit lang yung bola.
Sige, palino.
Good attack. Number 2. Good set for Olongapo City. Nakuha nila yung first set. 21-12.
Of Olongapo.
Relax lang po, baka malaglag nyo yung cellphone nyo. Nakuha ng Olongapo City yung first set with the score of 21-12. It's a good score for Olongapo City. Nakita nyo naman, all of our girls have improved. Puro overhand service yung kanilang ginagawa. And hopefully, ang standing po nila ngayon is 1-1. Nung first game nila, inalat sila, lost. Kahapon, nanalo po sila. And ito yung third game ng ating mga Lady Spikers. So for the elimination, merong 5 teams per bracket. So third game nila to, meron pa silang isa. Ay, baka double header sila today. Tapos nun would be baka quarterfinals, kung magka-quarterfinals pa. Arthur, ano nga angat? Quarterfinals ba? Semis na agad?
Quarter pa lang. Pagka
So, dalawa
pa nila mamaya. Quarterfinals, yeah. Crossover sila ng quarterfinals.
So dalawa nga angat. Now we have the second set. Pag napanalo na to, they win the game.
Second set. Service. Service close position. All over the ball.
Service for Olonga po. Bola, bola.
Service set.
Paki-share din po, paki-share para mas marami pa makapanood. Good service. Atake ang Japan. Drop ball. Good block from the captain. Good block galing sa captain. Point for Japan. Unforced error galing sa Olongapo City. Service ng Japan. 1-1. Good drop galing kay number 2. Good service. Medyo lamang tayo, lalong-lalo na sa service, no?
Andy, ready. Nice one.
Good attack galing kay number 2. Just anticipating that ball na talagang malapit sa net, yung bagsak.
Balik niya. Balik. Nice one. Palo.
Good return from Japan with that monster attack from number 4. Score natin 3-2, lamang ng isang Olongapo.
Set.
All 3. Ang mga girls natin is coming from Barreto Elementary School, Barreto 1.
Nice.
Sila yung winning team kasi nung city meet, kaya sila yung nag-advance.
Tayo na.
Sayang yung block, nakalusot, 4-3, lamang na ang Japan City. Anong tawag niya referee? Inside. 5-3. Service for Gapan. Lamang ng dalawa ang Gapan City. Touch. Outside. Touch from Olongapo City number 4. Check ball.
Charlie! Charlie! Ikaw yung mag-over sa kanya kung meron yung jacket!
Score 6-3.
Saan naman? Time out for Olongapo City. 7-3. Lamang ng 4 ang Gapan. Kapit lang. Mga batang Gapan.
Lamang pa rin po ang City Schools Division of Gapan.
Please share our live para mas marami pang mga batang Gapon na makapanood. Andito tayo ngayon sa Clara 2024 Tarlac. Sa may Hirona po tayo ngayon. And this is Volleyball Elementary Girls between Olongapo City and Gapan City.
Once again, puno-puno po ang ating policy. Okay, the best po natin, 14,792.
Service for Gapan.
Still serving. Schools Division of Gapan.
Outside.
Point.
Good timeout. Galing kay coach. Just to break that. 7-4. Tatlo.
7.
Team captain number 4 serving.
The new captain, jersey number 4.
Good service. Attack galing kay number 2. Not over.
City School Division of Gapan.
8-4.
Score 8-4. Serving jersey number
8-4 po ang score. Lamang ang Gapan. Inside.
City Schools Division of Olongapo.
Score natin 8-5.
8.
Lamang ang Gapan City. 8-5. Service number 2. Good service. Service ace. For number 2. Ito na, hinihintay natin na flurry from Olongapo City.
8. Hugahado.
Set! Set!
Good attack coming from number 2.
Tuluyang habol ng Olongapo.
Good attack again.
SDO Gapan City. Score 9.
Miss block by Manlapas.
Service jersey number 5.
Service for Gapan, 9-6. Tatlo lang ang hinahabol ng Olongapo City. Unforced error kay number 6 ng Gapan, 9-7.
Score 7.
Sabi, go, Barreto 1.
Service jersey.
Nininervyos daw siya. Inom po kayo ng tubig. Stay hydrated.
Inside.
Inside. 10-7.
City Schools Division of Gapan.
Tatlo lang ang hinahabol ng Olongapo City. Good defense from Olongapo. Isa pa. Inside. Another in.
Who's control of the back city? Score 11-7.
11-7. Apat ang lamang ng Japan.
Outside.
Outside. 11-8. Tatlo ang hinahabol.
Point STO Olongapo. Serving jersey number 1.
Serving jersey number 1. Good service.
Outside.
Not over para sa Japan City. 11-9.
Olongapo City. Serving jersey number 1. Score 9-8. 9-11.
Good receive. Good attack from Olongapo.
Check ball.
Kaya ng Japan.
Score 10-11.
Score is 10-11. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Japan. Service for Olongapo City. Jersey number 1.
Substitution. Jersey number 2. Out. 7. In. Score 10-11. Still serving jersey number 1.
Good service. Another service ace. Tabla na. We are tied at 11.
Score 10-11.
Nahabol na ng Olongapo City.
Still serving jersey
Yung
number
apat.
1.
Service. Good service. Pasok.
Outside.
Outside.
Change. Favor.
Change favor na po. 12-1. Lamang na ng Olongapo. Isa.
11.
Good service again. In.
Inside.
Service ace. Para kay number 1. Manapsal.
Still serving. Jersey number 1. School division of Olongapo City.
Another service.
Outside.
Outside. 13-12. Lamang ng isang Olongapo.
Number 1.
Japan now serving.
At number 1. Serving. From School division of Japan.
Abtalon! Nice! Drop! Nice one, Santi! Set!
Napalakas ang palo. Ng team captain number 4. Deadlock tayo sa 13 all.
Still serving jersey number 1 of City Schools Division of Japan.
Unforced error. Para kay number 1.
Score 13.
14-13. Lamang na ng isa. Change favor tayo. Lamang ng isa Japan. Atake galing yung number 1. Not over.
Score 15-13 in favor of Schools Division of
Lamang ng dalawa ang Japan.
Ayan ni Santi.
Good block from Olongapo City, team captain.
Score 14.
14-15, isa lang po ang hinahabol ulit ng Olongapo.
Number 5.
Service jersey number 5. Good service.
Abo! Yan! Oh, set, set! Go!
Bibigyan ng konti.
Miss na palo. Team captain.
SGO.
16-14. Lamang ng dalawang gapan.
Score 16-14.
Service ng Japan. Receive ng Olongapo. Atake. Outside. Time out for Olongapo City. Ang score natin 17-14. Lamang ng 3 ang gapan. Medyo marami unforced error from Olongapo City. Japan is just defending and just bringing back the ball. Tinataas lang niya ng tinataas. This is the second set. Panalo sa first set ang Olongapo City. So pag pinanalo nila itong set na to, hinabol nila, they will win the game. Pero if not, aabot tayo sa fourth set. Service ng Japan. Good attack from Olongapo. Service for number 3. Good service. Good attack again for number 14 captain. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Japan. 17-16. Nag-ahabol ng 1 point ang Olongapo City.
Score 16-17.
Another good service. Service ace. Para kay number 3. We are tied at 17.
Score 17. Time out.
That forces Japan City for a timeout. Dahil nahabol agad ng Olongapo City
17.
ang 3-point lead nila. We are deadlocked at 17.
Once again, magandang umaga po sa ating mga manonood. Ubus po ang ating ticket. Ang ating gate attendance, 15,724.
Nasa second set tayo. This is between Olongapo City and Japan. Service jersey number 3. Bad service on first error.
Serving jersey number 2.
18-13.
Maganda ang ating labanan sa araw na ito.
Service from Japan.
Outside.
Service for Olongapo, number 4. Deadlock 18. Service. Good service. Atake kay number 2. Balik lang. Good attack from number 1.
Score
19-18.
favor.
Change favor tayo. Dalawa na lang para makuha ng Olongapo ang game. Good service ace. Para kay number 4. 20-18. Isa na lang.
Match point.
Game point for Olongapo City. Good service again. In. And that's the game for Olongapo City.
Announcing the result of game number 29 between Division of Gapan City and Division of Olongapo City. Winner, Olongapo City. Headline po. Once again, congratulations. The school
That's our girls
division
from
of
Barreto
Olongapo
Elementary School 1.
City.
Barreto 1. At ayun yung ating mga mommies over there. Mga proud mommies. Olongapo City girls just paying their respect sa kanilang opponent and sa officials. Maraming salamat, and these are the girls na nanalo. Congratulations, Barreto 1 Elementary School, winning for Olongapo City against Gapan City.